What's up, y'all? It's your boy Futuristic with my bro Devon Terrell. Today we are going to be covering Justin Bieber's Love Yourself. Except we don't play guitars, so we don't need these. You don't need yours either, bro.
Okay.
No.
All right, I'll put it.
Okay. Became infatuated with your whole appearance. So much that when I talk to you, you never hear it. So much that likes on your Instagram make you happy. But I love you in person, made that the clearest. I know I'm busy, but not too busy for you. If I set the table, I always set it for two. And if I light a candle, I'm trying to set the mood. And if I make a promise, I'm always seeing it through. But you're obsessed with the wrong things. I know we fight, but think you fighting for the wrong team. It's always all me. It's always something that I did or something I didn't do. I feel like I'm in the wrong league. Cause if I ball, then we ball together. But if I fall, then we fall together. But now it's fuck yous, a bunch of whatevers. If you was cold, I wouldn't even give you my sweater.
Mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never lied to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. But now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, then baby you should go and fuck yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and fuck yourself. Yeah.
I don't need no more fights, long nights in different rooms. You started problems with fam, now we got issues too. I was blinded by the love cause I was into you. While I stayed committed, I know you was with some different dudes. You need attention, I get it, everyone does. I thought that this was something, I guess it never was. So every time you call my phone, I ignore. You don't miss me, you just bored with the world you chose to explore. Vegas for the weekend, LA on a Thursday. How you want me back, huh? Want me in the worst way. You won't get a text on Christmas Eve and your birthday. Can't believe I fell for all your games in the first place. And since you like everything that comes with the fame, I wish you luck, I'm sure that I'll see you another day. You'll probably snag a rapper or a baller in the game, and I'ma walk right by you backstage like,
my mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never liked to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. Now I know I'm better sleeping alone. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby you should go and fuck yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and fuck yourself.
and you should get our album because it's on iTunes, coast to coast. Sheesh!